Happy Dussehra to you all. Congratulations for passing your exam. Before we start celebrating to you all, I'm going to sing a prayer for you all. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Vakratunda Mahakaya, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Nirviganam Kurume Devo, Sarvakareshu Sarvata, Sarvakareshu Sarvata. Thank you.